Welcome. In front of me is a RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and just navigate back to the main page. And in here, you will want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the list, select System, and at the bottom again, a second last option, you will find Reset Options. Now before you click on this, I do want to mention that you might want to back up your device. So you do have the backup option right over here. Now this is done through Google. This is not the only way you can back up your device. This is one that you can kind of see as an option right here, but you can back it up, for instance, by grabbing a cable and plugging it into the device and basically moving over all your data manually from your phone to the computer as an example. And this option will, in my opinion, be the superior one over the cloud backup. Cloud backup is easier. This kind of automatically backs up most data, not all. And it's just a couple clicks, pretty simple. But doing it with a cable will be a little bit more tedious, but at the end of the day, it will be the better option. As number one, you're backing up your personal data to your personal computer. Therefore, it's not being stored on someone else's computer, like Google's. It's not being used to train AI models, like Google most likely would. And additionally, it's not subject to the same laws of data that all companies have to maintain, which is that, at least in the European Union, I believe, companies can keep your data for about 2 or 3 years, something along those lines, at which point they need to get rid of it if nothing has been done with it. So let's just say you create a backup, 2 years from now when you want to use it, and whoopsie daisy, it's gone. It's been used to train AI models, and the AI model doesn't forget it, but hey, it's completely gone for legal purposes from your access. So that's great. So that's why I recommend doing it to your computer. Once you create a backup to your computer, it's being stored there. You are the only one that has access to it, and you can keep it there as long as you want. And I just find it to be much more secure of an option. Anyway, once you have created your backup, if you even want to do that, you can then select Reset Options, and in here you're going to select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with the list of data that will be removed, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data, not other. And anyway, we already went over the backup, so we're going to click right here, Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. Once you've done so, it's going to, again, present you with the information that this will delete all data and cannot be undone. Are you sure? Yep. I'm going to click on Erase All Data once more, and this will begin factory resetting the device. Now, this process will take probably minutes, 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like. Disregard this. I have a SIM card. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.